It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 9th of March. Hey, it's turned cool today, but it's a quick cool down on the weekend ahead, looking pretty good. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. Hey, by the way, while I'm thinking about it, you know what happens this weekend? The time change. Yeah, great. We lose an hour of sleep. That's the Trussville Skycam. Light rain still there, but the rain is in the process of ending. Down in Demopolis in Marengo County, rain is falling there. That's from the Demopolis Civic Center. And way down south, that's an early morning look at the Alabama Gulf Coast from the Phoenix All Suites as we look west. Well, there's the deal. We got the upper low over New Mexico, a trough in the northern branch passing through the Great Lakes in the northeast. And a cold front is clearly through here this morning. You can pick out the difference. About a 21-degree swing on either side of that front. To the south, you've got 61 at Montgomery. To the north, you've got 40 at Haleyville. And for today, the cool air wins the battle. Highs only in the 50s around here today. About a 20-degree drop from yesterday. And around the nation, you can see that sharp gradient on the front around here this morning. Pretty cold up north. Readings are around zero up on the Canadian border of Minnesota and North Dakota. There's a look at the radar at 5:03 this morning. The rain generally along and south of Interstate 20. And it's over for North Alabama, and that rain will keep on pushing south. So the rain is ending pretty early in the day today. And over the next 5 days, the heaviest rain over Texas. How about 5 inches for Houston? And around here, I just don't think we get a lot. There might be a few showers early next week, but things are looking nice and quiet. And best of all, maybe, no severe weather for the next 7 days. This is the 06C GFS, valid at noon today. There's the trough moving through the northeast. The upper low hangs back over New Mexico, totally detached from the westerlies. And down below that, the weak front is pushing to the south. It will be cloudy and cool. Highs in the upper 50s today. If the sun pops out late today, we might hit low 60s, and the better chance of getting sunshine will be north of Birmingham. Tomorrow, a beautiful day to start the weekend. Bright, sunny, and mild. We'll start the day in the upper 30s. We'll wind up in the upper 60s. And Sunday looks good. We'll say partly sunny with a high close to 70. Rain to the west with the upper low lifting out. But we might see a few showers by Sunday night, but I think most of the day will be dry. Now, this is Monday. What's left of the upper low is weakening and lifting up into Canada, north of Lake Michigan. And down below that, we've got a trailing front that with little upper support. Trying to get in here, but is having a hard time. We'll mention a chance of showers Monday, but it's certainly not going to be a big rain event. There's Tuesday, the front just stops and fizzles out, and we are left in a warm, moist air mass all week, almost a little touch of summer. We'll be well up in the 70s, maybe touching 80. And again, you can't rule out the chance of a shower because of the low-level moisture, but nothing organized, nothing heavy. There's Wednesday, Thursday, same deal. Maybe a shower in spots. And Friday, a week from today, warm, kind of a mix of sun and clouds. A few showers would be isolated if they do develop. We'll check the end of the forecast on March 24th. Wow. Again, we're looking for any sign of late season cold snaps. Not on this run. It looks pretty warm. Ridging over the east to trough out west, and that looks very mild, if not warm. And again, maybe a few showers, but nothing organized. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.